Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have given 50 GK question, very important for your upcoming all competitive exam. For the PDF, join the channel and check describe below. Like, comment and subscribe. Then without waste your time, let's start. Which of the following dynasties of the Delhi Sultanate finally annexed Jaunpur into the Empire of Delhi? Option A, Lodi dynasty. Option B, Khilji dynasty. Option C, Tughlaq dynasty. Option D, Shahyad dynasty. Correct answer, Lodi dynasty. The property by virtue of which carbon can form a Ssc covalent bond is called. Option A, allotropy. Option B, covalency. Option C, tetravalency. Option D, catenation. Correct answer, catenation. Who wrote the novel The Catcher in the Rye? Option A, H.G. Wells. Option B, Ernest Hemingway. Option C, Mark Twain. Option D, J.D. Linger. Correct answer, J.D. Linger. To which state does the Indian player Sumit Nagal belong? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer, Haryana. Dash dance is embedded in the stories from the epics Mahabharata, Ramayana and Puran. Option A, Kathakali. Option B, Kuchipudi. Option C, Satriya. Option D, Odisha. Correct answer, Kathakali. The Dravidian style of temple architecture can be largely seen from which part of India? Option A, Western India. Option B, Northern India. Option C, Eastern India. Option D, Southern India. Correct answer, Southern India. In India, who introduced the idea of the poverty line for the first time? Option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. Layer of varying thickness are found in which type of rock? Option A, igneous rock. Option B, sedimentary rock. Option C, metamorphic rock. Option D, volcanic rock. Correct answer, sedimentary rock. Ganesh and Kumaresh Rajagopalan won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for Carnatic Instrument Music. Which instrument did they play? Option A, violin. Option B, sarod. Option C, veena. Option D, sarangi. Correct answer, violin. In which of the following classical dance form are the actor faces painted to symbolize the type of character they are playing? Option A, Bharatanatyam. Option B, Odissi. Option C, Kathakali. Option D, Kathak. Correct answer, Kathakali. In 1992, which organized launched self-help group bank linkage program? Option A, SEBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, SBI. Option D, RBI. Correct answer, NABARD. In which of the following state is the Adaravi Punam Mela organized every year in the Nilkanth Mahadev temple premises in Babra? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Himachal Pradesh. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Gujarat. Correct answer, Gujarat. Which of the following cities is known as the Steel City of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Jamshedpur. Option C, Patna. Option D, Ranchi. Correct answer, Jamshedpur. When was the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puruskar was instituted by the Sangeet Natak Academy? Option A, 2012. Option B, 2008. Option C, 2006. Option D, 2002. Correct answer, 2006. Who among the following was the pioneer of Bhudan movement? Option A, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Option B, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option C, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Correct answer, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. In Dholavira, which of the following material is extensively used as a building material? Option A, granite. Option B, stone. Option C, bricks. Option D, cement. Correct answer, stone. Which article of the Constitution of India provide for appointed of the same person as the governor for 2 or more states? Option A, Article 158, Clause 2, Article 157, Option C, Article 158, Article 153. Correct answer, Article 153. The concept of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of Option A, Britain, Option B, USA, Option C, Australia, Option D, Russia. Correct answer, Australia. What is the primary acid found in citrus fruits like orange and lemon? Option A, lactic acid, Option B, tartaric acid, Option C, citric acid, Option D, acetic acid. Correct answer, citric acid. In which state are the Gua and Namodi iron ore mines located? Option A, Maharashtra, Option B, Jharkhand, Option C, Chhattisgarh, Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer, Jharkhand. Hello friend, please like, comment and subscribe. The rock cut temple of Shiva built by Krishna first is found at which of the following place? Option A, Ellora, Option B, Kaunaj, Option C, Mayakhet, Option D, Mahabalipuram. Correct answer, Ellora. In which of the following year did India win the ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup? Option A, 2012, Option B, 2009, Option C, 2007, Option D, 2010. Correct answer, 2007. Which of the following government initiatives focus on skill development to reduce open unemployment among youth in India? Option A, PM Kusum, Option B, Manrega, Option C, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Option D, PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Correct answer, PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Who among the following Governor General declared Sati practices as illegal? Option A, Lord Canning, Option B, Lord Lytton, Option C, Lord Dalhousie, Option D, Lord William Bentinck. Correct answer, Lord William Bentinck. Which of the following fictional town is mentioned in the English novel In Custody written by Anita Desai? Option A, Kanthapura, Option B, Mirpur, Option C, Malgudi, Option D, Lilliput. Correct answer, Mirpur. A particular cell present in the excretory system of plankton which help them removing waste material is the Option A, flame cell, Option B, Laxis cell, Option C, Passage cell, Option D, Tindoblast cell. Correct answer, flame cell. Rani Ka Bhav is a UNESCO World Heritage Monument situated in which of the following states? Option A, Haryana, Option B, Gujarat, Option C, Maharashtra, Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer, Gujarat. Bothukama festival is celebrated in which of the following state? Option A, Uttar Pradesh, Option B, Telangana, Option C, Manipur, Option D, Chhattisgarh. Correct answer, Telangana. What is the collection of Vedic hymn or mantras called? Option A, Samhita, Option B, Sriti, Option C, Shruti, Option D, Upanishad. Correct answer, Samhita. Usha Barle is popularly associated with which genre of music? Option A, Lavani, Option B, Pandavani, Option C, Panihari, Option D, Kajori. Correct answer, Pandavani. In which of the following years India hosted the Women's Asia Cup ODI cricket? Option A, 2005, Option B, 2007, Option C, 2004, Option D, 2006. Correct answer, 2006. Alamel Valley was associated with which of the following dances? Option A, Odissi, Option B, Bharatanatyam, Option C, Kathak, Option D, Manipuri. Correct answer Bharatanatyam. In this glutinous egg, white is heated, it turned to solid white due to option A protein denutrition, option B emulsification, option C fermentation, option D gluten formation. Correct answer protein denutrition. In which of the following states are the northwestern known as Bardoi Option A Bihar, option B Assam, option C Odisha, option D Goa. Correct answer Assam. Which of the following is not a component of revenue receipt? Option A amount borrowed from World Bank, option B GST, option C fees paid for the registration of property, option D grant received by UNESCO. Correct answer amount borrowed from World Bank. According to the census of India 2011, what was the population growth rate in Kerala? Option A 4.91%, option B 15.01%, option C 8.1%, option D 12.65%. Correct answer 4.91%. Which of the following is an example of the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent? Option A Tomb of Tansen, option B Sabdarjung tomb, option C Humayun tomb, option D Tomb of Itimad Uddullah. Correct answer Humayun tomb. According to the census 2011, what was the annual population growth rate of India? Option A 1.97%, option B 2.16%, option C 2.22%, option D 1.64%. Correct answer 1.64%. The Indian Forest Service was created under the All India Service Act 1951 in option A 1954, option B 1966, option C 1060, option D 1957. Correct answer 1966. Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry is included in which of the following articles of Indian Constitution? Article 48, Article 47, option C Article 46, option D Article 45. Correct answer Article 48. In which of the following Indian state is the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium located? Option A West Bengal, option B Kerala, option C Karnataka, option D Tamil Nadu. Correct answer Tamil Nadu. The famous English novel Aim and the Big Home is written by option A Easton David, option B Amitabh Ghosh, option C J.D. Pinto, option D Shashi Tharoor. Correct answer J.D. Pinto. Which of the following is not an element of weather? Option A temperature, option B humidity, option C plants, option D rainfall. Correct answer plant. Which of the following organism is used in bread and alcohol industries? Option A Clostridium, option B Nitrobacter, option C yeast, option D Penicillium. Correct answer yeast. The Prime Minister in India is option A nominal executive, option B a real executive, option C the Supreme Commander of Armed Force, option D the head of the judiciary. Correct answer the real executive. According to the census of India 2011, what is the share of workforce engaged in the agriculture sector? Option A 54.6%, option B 65.3%, option C 48.9%, option D 45.8%. Correct answer 54.6%. Who among the following is a famous singer of Hindustani classical music? Option A Shubham Mugdal, option B Purnima Sharma, option C Rita Ganguly, option D Naina Devi. Correct answer Subha Muddal. Dash was the first women chief election commissioner of India. Option A, Meera Kumar. Option B, Rama Devi. Option C, Pratibha Devi Patil. Option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Correct answer, Rama Devi. Kathakali has its roots in the state of option A, Kerala. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, Kerala. India and Sri Lanka are divided by option A, Gibraltar Strait. Option B, Bering Strait. Option C, Hormuz Strait. Option D, Palk Strait. Correct answer, Palk Strait. Thank you so much friend watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friend and family and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to click bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.